In this tutorial, we'll explore how to add favorite playlists to your Josh music experience. While this feature is available with all Josh-compatible music streamers and services, we'll look at how to create favorite playlists in Sonos today. First, open the Sonos app on your phone. From there, select the music icon at the bottom of the application. Then choose your streaming service of choice. Today, we will select Spotify. From here, you can select a playlist you want to favorite. For example, we will choose the Country Mix playlist. Once you're inside the playlist, select the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then hit Add Playlist to My Sonos. Your playlist is now in your My Sonos, which will show up as a favorite playlist in Josh. Let's head over to Josh to see our favorite playlist. Open the Josh app and go to your music controller. Once you are in one of your music players, select the star icon. You will now see that Country Mix is in your favorites and ready to play. We trust this guide on creating playlist favorites was informative and inspiring. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Josh tips to enjoy your home intelligence experience to the fullest.